Hey everyone, how's it going? So with the new Doctor Strange 2 movie coming out, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw a cartoon version of Doctor Strange. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon Doctor Strange, let's begin with the face. We'll start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We'll leave some space, then we'll make another one that's going to come down over here. Starting here, we'll make a line that's going to go down, and then we'll come up here. Starting right here, we'll make the eye. I'm going to begin here, and we'll draw a line that's going to come up. We'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go up like this. Next, we're going to make this line go over and up. We'll do that same thing here. We're going to go over and up. For the eyebrow, we're just going to make this line come up. And then we'll just kind of redraw this, and I'm going to make it a little bit fatter up here and a little bit skinnier down here. Same thing here, we're just going to make that eyebrow. And then we'll make that same kind of shape, make it a little bit bigger at the top. Right here, we're going to put a circle in each eye. And then we'll make a little black dot for the pupil, and we'll color in just a little bit. That same thing, another circle, and just color in most of it. Make a little curved line for the nose. We'll make a little line across for the mouth. Starting here, we're going to go up, we're going to go over and down, just to kind of start his little mustache. Then we'll draw a line that's going to come down and up. And same thing here, we're going to go down and up and over. Starting here, let's make a line that's going to curve up and down for the hair. We'll come back up, and then we'll add another one that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back up. I'll start here, and we're going to make another line that's going to come down and up. And then we'll make a couple more little points here. Starting here, we're going to make a couple little points that are going to come out. And then let's connect these lines here. And we'll add a couple little zigzag lines. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then a couple more. And we're going to go out and then bring it up here. Starting here, we're going to make a couple of zigzag lines that come down on each side. Right here, we'll add a little line that's going to go out and down. We'll do it on each side for the ears. Starting here, we'll make a little V shape. Next, starting here, we'll make a little bit bigger V shape underneath it. I'll make a line that comes down and up, and that's going to be the cord of his medallion. Next, I'll just make an oval shape to show where the medallion is. I'll make a line that comes down on each side. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and out. So we'll go up and then out to kind of start the cape. curve this line up on each side. And I'll add a little bit of an extra line right here on each side. We'll make a little shape that goes out and in. Next, we'll draw a line that comes down on each side. And we'll come right across. Next, we're going to come down, and we're going to go over. We'll go down and over. We'll draw another line across, and we'll make these lines come up here. We'll draw a line that comes across here. Then I'll add a circle here with a smaller one inside of it. This line is just going to come down so it looks like it's a little bit kind of off, so they're not perfectly across. We'll put another line here. I'll add a few little lines in an up and down pattern. And these ones will curve in a little bit, just to add some detail on here. Draw a little rectangle that comes down with some little lines coming off of it. Right here we'll make a line that comes down. And then we're just going to curve this around and come up for one of his feet. Then I'm going to make a little line here, and this one's going to curve around to here, so it looks like he's starting to float in the air. We can kind of make this foot look like it's behind a little bit. We'll add a little line here, and one right here. I'll add a few lines across here to make it look like there are some little straps on here. And a couple more here. We'll add a little line right at the base of his outfit. And I'll make a couple lines that are going to come down on his outfit. Then I'll draw a little line across and a little line across here. Now, starting here, we're going to make this line come out for his arm. We'll curve it around and bring it back. We'll draw a line that's going to go out and around for his thumb. And then I'm going to make one that goes out and it's going to come back up for his pinky. Draw a line that's going to go around and up. And we'll do one more here. And then we'll draw this line down and then up. Starting over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out like this. We'll curve it, then we'll bring it back up towards the body. This one, we'll curve it around for the thumb. We'll make this line come up for one of the fingers. We'll curve this one up and around, this one here, and then we'll make this one go up and back into here. We'll add a curved line right along the edge here. Then I'll add these at more of an angle here, just to look like these are kind of like straps wrapped around here. We'll add a couple here. We'll draw a line that's going to come down. We'll come down and then bring it to here. We'll do the same thing over here, go down to the shoulder. We'll make this one come around, and then we'll go back up here. And then we'll curve it to here. Just to give it a little bit more detail. I'm going to draw a little bit of a longer line right above the eyes. And I'm also going to make a little line underneath the eyes too. Now right inside of here, let's make an oval shape. We'll add a small circle for one of the infinity stones. And then we'll make some little lines right around it. I'll add another curved line around each side with a couple more little lines. And there you go. There is your drawing of Doctor Strange in a cartoon form. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.